Yo, what up, YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So you can see I got a package in front of me right here. As you can see, right here is the new monitor, 144 hertz. One thing I do like about this does have FreeSync on it. And here's the big thing I like about this. It has two HDMI's and an DP display port, which both HDMI's run at 140 hertz. I'm sorry, HDMI runs at 120, HDMI 2 runs at 144, DP runs at 144. So that's what I actually like. But you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. Okay. Just get this bad boy out. I have to do a little bit of snip. Some snippity snip. There we go. Do some surgery on the thing real quick. Pop that in a song like that, you know what I'm saying, boys? Okay. So this is going to be heavy. Yeah, this is going to be real heavy. So I'm about to take this off my stand real quick. Come on out. Okay, we got the kickstand. It's one leg. Other leg. Actually, that's the back piece and that's the legs. Power adapter right here. Come on. Come on out. You know how we like this. Drop some booklets and stuff. Okay. Just hold it right there. Sorry guys, I just hit my camera. So we get screwdriver. Is this a display or HDMI? What did they give us? Excuse me, guys. Clamps for the cords. Is this DP? I think this is a DP cord. Yep, DP. As you can see right there, it's a DP cord. Love it. Let's move some of this stuff out the way. Move this down flat down. And there we go right here. Ooh, this thing is ultra thin. I forgot to mention, 0 bezels. Tape off. Oh man, this thing. Ooh, I love the smell of that, bro. Coming straight out the bag. So there we go right there, what I was telling you guys. As you can see, HDMI 2. Okay, HDMI 2 has, HDMI 2 is 120 hertz, and HDMI 1 is 144 hertz. DP is 144 hertz also. Power headphone, and this is supposed to have built-in speakers. So I guess it's at the bottom, but we can check all this out once I set all this thing up. All right, we'll be back a little bit later. Peace. Okay guys, I'm back right here. So as you can see, this is my desktop monitor right here. So people was asking about the hertz on top of it. The lowest hertz that it goes up to is 120 hertz. That's standard, but you can just drop it down to 60 hertz if you want 60 hertz on it. But who wants 60 hertz? The whole point is 144 hertz. You can even overdrive this to even get up to about 200 to 240 hertz on this with no problem, easy. But then you start seeing a little bit of tearing and stuff when you start going left and right and like that. So as you can see right here on my screen, we're going to just go towards the advanced settings displays. And as you can see right here, this is set to 50 hertz. That's my display for that one. But we're going to go towards the one that I'm actually using right now. It's this. As you can see right now, 144 hertz that it's actually popping into right now. So if I highlight this, if I can actually highlight it a little bit better, might not be able to highlight it, but I can zoom in a little. So you can see right there, 144 hertz right there. Good thing about that. So it is 144 hertz. So basically it does this. HDMI 1, 144. Actually, let's put it like this. DP, which is display, is 144 hertz. That's what I'm currently using right now because I do use display point on port because it actually is better. You have HDMI 144 hertz. I got that actually plugged into my PlayStation 4 Pro into this. And HDMI 2 is 120 hertz. I have my Xbox One X plugged into it. Because on the Xbox One X, you can only go to 120 hertz. One of the reason why I have the PlayStation 4 Pro with 144 hertz is because the simple fact is I get a lot of drop frames on the PlayStation a lot of the times on the Pro. And to try to get that response rate, because this monitor is only like a 1 second response rate, 1 millisecond response rate. That's why I got it on the PlayStation instead of the 120. So, that extra, couple of refresh rates, can do me a little bit justice. So if I do drop frames, I'll be able to get it with no problem. This computer is running the GTX 1070. It's overclocked and stuff like that. But I do have other graphic cards that I am going to run on this computer also. But if we go into the actual software, which the software is back here, also I want to mention when you plug this on, you turn the monitor on, the S logo that you've seen at the beginning of it actually lights up in a red color. So that's something that's actually good. Let's go into the settings. So if we go into systems real quick, click on that. And we go down towards product information. You should see right here, it says refresh rate, 144 hertz. Let's just move that over so you guys can see that. As you can see right there, 144 hertz right here. 3 outputs, DP, 2 HDMIs, very good. And it has built-in speakers. So that's a good plus on top of it. The speakers is not loud. It's not loud, but it's loud enough to hear what you want to hear and be able to use it. I suggest you just buy a Bluetooth speaker or something with surround sound. Just plug that thing inside of it and put a speaker underneath it if you want to be able to run it like that. I do have speakers that's put inside my PC already, but I do have an external speaker that I will probably just drop right here on the side, just so I can have extra sound if I want to. And that's what I said I have if I want to, but I already have sounds, so I don't need the extra sounds and stuff like that. So guys, this is the Sceptre monitor right here, guys. Tell me what you think. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace, deuces, one, and I'm out of here. Holla.